What's going on, guys? Cruise with Edge Body back again. Foam rolling part 2, lower body. Using the foam roller is a great way to, remember we said in the first video, myofascial release, great for the tendons, great for the joints, the muscles. Hit your quads, your hamstrings, your adductors, your abductors. Today we're gonna hit quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Great way to kind of get started, just like that upper body one was as well. Combine both of these together, you're gonna have an awesome start to your foam rolling journey experience, and you'll see nothing but gains in the gym. So start it up. Easiest way, best way to do this is put the foam roller down on the floor and then just lay on it. You're gonna roll it forward and back, hit about 5 times forward, 5 times back. Feel free to move those arms around, your elbows around as much as you need to, just to get a good stretch with everything there. I'm doing bilaterally, I'm hitting both legs at the same time. You could honestly shift your weight from side to side, move your feet from side to side, hit those different angles of your quads, whatever you feel comfortable doing. But for basic one, that's good enough. Good enough. Hamstrings will be your next one. Sit on the foam roller. Start out underneath that butt fold, that butt crease, whatever you want to call it. Once again, bilateral forward and back, forward, back. Really target those hamstrings. This is an awesome way if you know that you're always tight in those hamstrings to give them a little bit of love before or after the workout. Once again, if you want to do this unilaterally one side, stack those feet forward and back. Wherever you're at, whatever's more comfortable, don't push it. And then we'll go glutes next. Just simply sit on the foam roller. Personally, I like to cross my foot and use this leg as a base and then roll it forward and back from there. Foam rolling is one of the best ways that you can do to give yourself a little bit of self-love before or after the workout, and you're still in there, still putting in good quality work in the gym or on the track or in the field, wherever it's at. But give these a shot and let me know what you think. Peace.